Hello travellers, today will be a quick review on this packable backpack from Naturehike. I was sent this bag to review by Banggood, however my thoughts and opinions are my own. So this is a 25 litre backpack made from a lightweight 30D water resistant nylon and weighs only 160 grams or 5.6 ounces. The inside of the bag is tape sealed too, so it seems like it will be able to withstand quite a lot of water before getting wet. Despite what the website says about its 25 litre capacity, I think it's actually much smaller than that and feels more like a 16 litre or so capacity. But due to the nature of the fabric, you could probably pack a fair amount of stuff in this bag before it gets over full. As you can see here, it resists water quite well. The bag is kind of like a waterproof dry bag with backpack straps attached to it. Speaking of the straps, they're a mesh material that is quite comfortable to wear, and the bag is a roll top closure, which I don't like too much, but it does well for the waterproofing. There is a water resistant zipper on the front as well to store any items that you need to grab quickly. I was able to fit my usual packing clothing cube in here and the toiletry bag. By the way, this packing cube is from Bluffworks and I'll be doing a full review on that very shortly. But as I said, I don't think it actually is 25 litres at all. Still, it's a handy day bag to have for short hikes or trips to the beach where you need water protection. Do leave a comment below what is your favourite day bag, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos.